Neutron Star Mergers, Cosmic Crucibles of Heavy Element Creation. This is the title of this video. Here we are talking about neutron star mergers. You know that at the end of the lifespan of a massive star, supernova explosion takes place. And in that case, what happens? The outer layer of that massive star is ejected into space, and the remaining material or the remaining object means I am talking about the remnant of that star, of that massive star, that collapses due to the presence of gravitational force. Due to tremendous gravitational force, the remnant or the core of that massive object is compressed, and due to huge pressure, the electrons and the protons merge together to form neutron. So dominant part of the core after supernova explosion, becomes neutron. Means it is made up only of neutrons, or I should rather say it is made up of mostly neutrons. That's why the name neutron is given here. And we are talking about neutron star mergers. That means two neutron stars are required. So in a binary system where there are two neutron stars present, they spiral closer together. And at the end, by ejecting gravitational waves, they spiral closer together. And at the end, they merge together. One explosion occurs. And when this explosion occurs, this is as energetic as a supernova explosion, or it is as energetic as gravitational collapse of black holes. So when this explosion occurs, when two neutron stars are merging together, in that case, nucleosynthesis, this is the name of a process, that process occurs. That process occurs inside that region. And in this process, huge amount of pressure is there, huge temperature is there. You know that in nuclear fusion reactions, heavy elements are produced. So many elements are produced, and out of which iron is one of the heavy elements. But the production of gold, platinum, uranium, or like that, means I should rather say beyond that, For the production of these elements, this type of event is required, that is neutron star merger. This event is required because in case of ordinary stellar explosions, or in case of ordinary stellar fusion reaction, these elements cannot be produced. These elements means elements like gold, platinum, uranium, etc. And this nucleosynthesis process is known as R process nucleosynthesis. In the study of astrophysics, if you study astrophysics in detail, then you will get this term, R process nucleosynthesis. Is there any evidence of this theory? Yes, evidence is there. In 2017, by LIGO and Fargo collaborations, they detected gravitational waves from a neutron star merger, and by analyzing those gravitational waves and the electromagnetic radiation emitted by that neutron star merger, they reached to the conclusion that heavy elements have been produced in that event. Okay. So, and one more thing I want to say here, that due to this event, means neutron star merger, when this event takes place, the heavy elements produced in the nuclear synthesis process, those are ejected into space. And those things are used, not used by anyone. It is natural process. So new stars are formed by those things. New planets are formed by those heavy elements. Even life as we know is formed due to the presence of those, due to the ejection of those heavy elements in the universe. So you can say that life is possible. You can see life on Earth, on the planet Earth. It is possible due to such explosion. Means I am talking about neutron star merger, this event. You know that iron is present in our body, iodine is present in our body, and these are possible only due to such processes or such events. Okay, so this was all about what? All about neutron star merger, and this can be regarded as the crucible. Crucible, you know, crucible is used to manufacture objects. It is nothing but a pot, okay, where molten metal is poured and desired objects are formed or manufactured. So here we have used the term cosmic crucible. Yes, of course, this is cosmic crucible for what? For the production of heavy elements like iron, then gold, platinum, uranium, etc. Okay. So this was all about today's topic, neutron star merger, cosmic crucibles for heavy element synthesis. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.